Hi everybody and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Buick Grand Sport convertible. Gorgeous car, guys. It's finished in triple white. This is one of 165 of these cars ever produced. Great car, man. It's an older restoration. It was actually completed in 07. Complete frame off, rotisserie restoration. The floorboards are white. Killer car, man. My buddy Turk's the one who actually found me this car. It's a Tennessee car. Again, 2007 frame off restoration done to the car. Pretty color combination. It's finished in Artic white. With the pearl white interior. Then it's got the white convertible top with the glass rear window. Killer car. Runs and drives excellent. I mean, these cars just did. These were just good cars. Really liked the car. And again, a rare car. These are tough to come by. I'll tell you what, you know, I've been doing this for 30-some years. My dad started the place in '78. You learn something new every single day, I tell people, and I learned a lot with this car, some stuff I didn't know, and I'll go through it as we go through the video. You can nitpick some stuff on it, like you can all of them, guys. You can see, you can kind of nitpick the trim there a little bit. Bumpers are pretty doggone nice. The grille definitely could use a little detail there. A lot of cool options on this car. Factory ram air. These cars got a great look. I love the body lines on them. It's the original trim. Little crack there in your dash. Love the pearl white interior. Took some pictures with the top up, power top. It works great. Top's got the glass rear window in it. Little crack there in your paint. The reason this is done, and you guys, if you watch my videos, I point this out all the time on convertibles. There's supposed to be a body seam there. When people restore these cars, I'm not real sure why they do that. They fill them in where that seam should be there, and then when it cracks, it actually cracks in the seam, and you don't see it. Rear deck spoiler on the car. I love this option. This is the N25 exhaust exit rear bumper. I think those are super cool. And a little blemish there in your bumper. About the same thing on that side. Car's nice and straight down the sides. I believe they put quarters on both sides on this car, both driver and passenger. It's got the 15-inch Buick Rallys on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. I love the deck spoiler on these cars. I just like these cars. Little mark there, guys. Always love this body style. And Buicks are just great cars. They hit the road good. Again, it's got the 15-inch Buick Rallys. This one here, you can definitely see it's got some, showing a little wear to it. This is the worst one actually on the car. Again, not hideous, but compared to the rest of them, it definitely shows some age. Power front disc brakes. Sorry guys, there's just a little dust. Dual sport mirrors. Now, again, been doing this for a long time, guys. If you watch my videos, I always tell you straight, man. I tell you what I know and what I don't know. I did learn something. The guy we bought this car from swore up and down matching numbers car. Now, if you know anything about Buicks, on this driver's side, between the front two cylinders, that's where the VIN number would be. You can't always see it, right? But now I just read this, that in '71, they put the VIN number sometime right behind that front power steering pump. I've looked both places. I cannot see a number, okay? So I can't guarantee this car. But what I can tell you, the casting number, I'll put it in the ad, and also on the back, between the back two cylinders is a TR. If you match those two up, that's a 71. That is a 71 GS 455 engine. But I can't guarantee this car, like I say, unless I can see those numbers, I can't guarantee it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, again, ram air. It's got the ram air hood. It's got a Mallory Unilite distributor in it. It also has a 71 400 turbohyramatic trans. Factory chrome air cleaners, or not air cleaner, valve covers. And again, man, like I say, I've been doing this so long, and I learn stuff every single day, man. I do not try to tell people I know it all. I learned something on these cars that I would have bet against. All these cars came with a bench seat. I would have never known that. Sure enough, I looked it up today, and they did. All these cars had a bench seat in them. Again, dual sport mirrors, marked there in your trim. Definitely replace the door handles. Door rubbers look good. Love the pearl interior. Again, factory bench seat. It's the only way they came. Power top. It's got the tilt sport wheel in it. Factory tack and gauge car. It's showing 40,000 miles. Guys, I don't know the original miles on it. This guy we bought it from didn't restore it. It does have a Retrosounds custom radio in it. You can see it's got the kick panels with the speakers in them. There's a plug-in for the Bluetooth in the glove box along with the original owner's manuals. Matter of fact, I think that's part of the Bluetooth there, so you can hook it up to your phone and talk into it. I'm not a radio guy, guys. I don't know much about that stuff. It is a X-pipe, Dynomax dual exhaust system in it. It has the factory 10 bolt, 342 limited slip rear gear in it with the rear sway bar. That's all factory stuff. Sorry, just a little dust in there. Same thing. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in here. Again, part of your radio. Now this guy did a nice job in here, right? This, again, car was restored in 07. There's all kinds of documentation. There's notes on what he did to the car in here. Again, everything breakdown on Buicks. There's all kinds of receipts in here, and also ownership information. That all goes with the car. And again, like I say, if I could, you know, see a VIN number, even a partial VIN, I would tell you that I'd guarantee it to be a numbers car. I can't do that, man. Complete frame-off restoration. You see the body color, floorboards underneath there. See that rear sway bar. Just a good car. I got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom for you. Seats are nice. Again, car hits the road great. There's your radio. Gauges are nice and clean. Steering wheel's nice. These cars always drove great though, man. Dual sport mirrors. Yeah, the thing just runs and drives excellent, man. Good car. Those hoods are cool. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. Oh, we got one little bulb out. Car runs strong too. This thing gets with the program. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. They started to come up. We'll check them. They're probably just sticking. They probably haven't been out used in forever. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. Guys, you can do that at southernmotors.com. There they go. Make sure you keep track of our social media, Instagram, Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.